of the day. It is 12 o'clock on a Friday. We got the homies on the front porch.
Yeah.
Need to be
with
asking
no
yourself, huh?
purposeless.
Yeah, they have, when the homies hanging out in the middle of the day, usually they don't have anywhere to go. Usually.
Yeah.
One guy I can deal with.
Yeah.
One guy is okay. We got 3 and 4.
Yeah.
That means they're hanging out. They're kind of, what do you call it?
Vagrants.
They're hanging out. Like they have like a little community where they're hanging. So just be careful whenever you look at houses. If you got homies hanging out, just be mindful. So we're here at the next house here, and once again, this is just a guy who wants me to take over the payments, and he doesn't want any monthly. He just wants debt relief. He doesn't want to make the payment. Apparently, he was a part-time landlord, and I guess tenants kind of taught him a lesson. One thing I learned in this business: either you will teach the tenants, or they will teach you.
Does that car belong here? Does someone work here? No, that's a driveway. That's your driveway.
That's a serious sag in the middle of this house.
Where you see, John?
Sag right here, right there.
Sag? Yeah, this feels a little low here. It does feel a little lower.
Oh, so he's not here.
Nobody's here.
Oh, okay. Any chance I can
brought 4
any
people.
chance there's a restroom to use in there?
I don't know, we'll see. So you try to be a landlord, you can stay right there, I'm gonna show you here. So it looks like the floor, go look around, John. I don't know, it's my first time here. Flooring looks good, he's already done the work, so we won't have to do that, right? We're gonna buy this on a lease option. So, kitchen looks good. This is our dining area here. Nice little, small little kitchen, not too bad. But we probably will have to, you know what? No, I'm not gonna clean this out. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Hot water heater looks like it busted. We're gonna leave a new one there. Stove is, oh man. Gotta set the heat again there. Put your thing. No. Looks like it's fan busted all here.
It might be replaced.
Yeah. I don't know, it might be okay. But I don't want to have to worry about any of those repairs. I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's take a look back here. Let's take a look up on the side. Come on back here, Demetri. So look here, we got some damage going on up there. Watch out. Moisture damage going on. Roof looks old, looks like it's some paint. I don't know what that white is. Is that the shingle color?
Yeah. No, that's a brown.
So we got old windows up there. All right, new window here. So this guy's probably losing his shirt. I would say this home feels like it was built in the 1920s, maybe. You can tell because of the brick foundation there. Probably has piers. See over in the corner, you can actually see the outline of the bricks. As it comes here, it's cement solid. That means somebody has skimmed those bricks under there. Stay away from these. If you're new to the game, don't touch an old house like this. There's gonna be some handrails here too. Back in. It's a cool looking kitchen here. All right, let's go upstairs. I'm in front of you. You got a bathroom up there, John?
Yeah, ain't much of a bathroom, but it
works.
Oh, I don't know if it works or not. I hadn't been flushed.
Oh, we'll stop at McDonald's. So it looks like you put new carpet down. Right, we got this old trim here. I like it here. This old stuff hard to match up. We got a bathroom in here. Wow. Looks like you tried to do some work in the bathroom. It's kind of nasty, but it's not. You can see there. It just looks like it's just dust probably. But yeah, get here. Okay, this ain't bad. This is a usable bathroom. Better than the one we saw earlier. So the rooms here, the carpet looks really good. Looks like we have an addition here. This is that, remember in the back when we saw those old windows? I don't know what this is, but
Closet of some sort.
yeah, maybe a closet. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Demetrius?
Yeah, looks good.
This ain't bad.
See, this is rentable.
Yeah. Might be able to get a down payment out of somebody on this. So this is what? What? Check this out. We got a
Another closet in the front of the house.
electrical outlet in the floor. Nasty. Okay, so this is the overhang in the front.
Wow.
This looks like how many bedrooms is it?
Yeah.
So another thing that you need to notice when you're buying houses is the street that's on. Look at all the traffic we've got going down here, and we've got a very thin street in Norfolk, Virginia. For some reason, the streets are so thin, but we got people parking there, and it's kind of hard to get. It's like sagging.
Yeah.
Gangster lean.
Yeah.
Unless you want to go, yeah, that's.
Nah.
Then it's two. It's two in the library.
Yeah, it can be. Yeah, you 3. It's gotta be 3.
Like the house walking,
Again, say that again. Man.
So the negatives were the street. What is your positive around the area? What do you see that's positive about this house?
About that one. I gotta think on that for a minute, my brother. I didn't like the condition. I mean, the condition was okay, right?
Right.
Positives. Oh my goodness. I'm open for suggestions on that one.
I mean, I would say my biggest positive you see is you're next to the interstate. You know, you're not too far from the interstate.
Well, how would that be a positive for me?
Not for you. I mean, to market it.
Okay.
You know, when you market
It's
it,
accessible. You're saying it's okay.
It's accessible.
That could be.
You know, and you have to look and see what's around. You know, any restaurants. I didn't see anything right.
Well, we do have this little commercial setting here.
Okay.
Maybe go to dinner or something like that and get
Granby
that.
Street.
Yeah,
This is Granby Street here.
Right. And again, Granby, you're right there in Norfolk. I mean,
You're close to downtown.
downtown. Yeah. The
Maybe
waterfront.
Gent's close by.
Yeah. So there, I mean, there's a few, but there's not a lot.
I guess I could call that a plus. I don't know though, man. I mean, some pluses on that house. Let me think. What would I say would be a plus? The flooring was in. The flooring wasn't bad. It's got heat. There weren't too many pluses on that one. I didn't like the street. I just didn't like the feel of it, the way it was hanging over on the sides. So I think this is gonna be a tough sell, guys. So that's gonna be a tough sell. I can understand wholeheartedly why this guy doesn't want to come over. I didn't notice too. I don't know if that was their driveway or sometimes Norfolk. I'm here to tell you, people share a driveway, and I don't want to spend money on something that's not what I want. You know, I'm 42 now. Kind of past that stage of kind of giving in or kind of saying, you know, I'll just do it just because.
Settling.
Settling. I want what I want, dude. You know, and when I go home, I know I want what I want in my house, little things. And when I buy a house, I know what I'm looking for.
That's a good thing about this area is there is always another house.
There you go. Yeah. Always another deal.